Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. It is stormy here where I live. If you are in the path of this tropical storm, I hope that you are staying safe and dry. But today's job lead is from the company Grow Therapy. They are looking for a client intake support. Now, this is part-time remote within the United States. Now, Grow Therapy empowers therapists and doctors to launch and grow their private practices. So your clientele will be the actual providers of mental health services, but they are looking for someone who is a self-starter and enjoys a fast-paced work environment to be the first line of communication between Grow Therapy and the clients. So you'll be providing top-notch customer service. You'll learn their platform, how it works, so that you can explain it quickly and accurately to the providers and how to use it on the call. You'll problem solve on the fly with their clients through the booking process so they can have a potentially life-changing mental health appointment. That is for the clients of the doctors that you work for. And you'll be serving really as the voice of Grow Therapy. So they are looking for someone who can work part-time, 20 hours per week. They want someone who can kind of work the same set hours, and they're looking for someone between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. Eastern time. They do prefer that you have a previous call center experience, but it is not required. They are looking for someone who can build meaning relationships with the clients, someone who can drive impact from day to day, and be highly engaged with the team. Now, if that sounds like you, this position pays $20 an hour. And while most part-time positions don't offer benefits, it does look like they offer standard benefits such as health insurance, including dental, vision, those sorts of things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.